Hello nail friends, and welcome back to another Honey Doll Nails video. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you may be notified of all future videos. Hello nail friends, how are you doing today? I hope that you are doing well. Today is one of 3 Amazon hauls that we're going to be doing. This is the first one. I did receive a few packages in the mail, and I wanted to get started to let you know what we got and to do a review on these products. So we're going to start out with Btartbox Nails X Coat Tips French Protection Duo. Next, we have Allkem XX Square 360 pieces, which we're going to be opening that box a little later. But let's start with the Btartbox nail. So first you see here, of course, you get the lamp. The lamp is beautiful. This is supposed to be a 30 days kit to keep your nails to last longer, especially when you're dealing with French. But you don't have to use it just for French nails. You can use it for any of your nail art. Supposedly this kit alone is supposed to help your gel designs, your art designs, last longer. The lamp itself has 6 leads, which is good, and it has a USB port on the back, so you can hook that up to your station or even to your computer if you're working by computer. It has a nice long USB cord. So here we have your top coat and your builder gel, step 1 and step 2. Now if you follow the directions as they have written it inside the box, of course there is like a little direction sheet, and you should have no problem with making your nails last longer. And of course I purchased this separate. We talked about this before, the 28-day gel. I love this gel, this glue gel. It's not just for putting on nails, but it's for so much more. So now these Elkin soft gel covers. Now I was looking for something so I could do my Lazy Girl set, as we had discussed before, because they did not have the Lazy Girl kit anymore. So I purchased these. They're nice and soft at the cuticle, but hard at the tip. Okay, you can see how thick the tip is compared to the cuticle. So you can etch them in the inside and still get your Lazy Girl full cover nails. I purchased this box for myself, so I will be doing lots of sets on myself. But I just love this curve in the nail, like the apex. It's not too curved, it's not too straight, it's kind of in the middle. It's got a nice deep well. Good product. I do recommend it. So in the description box below, everything that I got in this haul will be listed down below. You just click the link and go shopping on Amazon.com. Next, we have Burano Nail Art Foil Glue Set. It comes with 2 bottles and 60 pieces of foil. It also has a step-by-step guide that you can use if you choose to. And it also comes with a rubber transfer pen. I always love to buy sets that come with more than 1 bottle, because you always run out if you like to do foils as much as I do. But it comes with hard foil and soft foil. This is hard foil because it looks like cellophane. That's how you know it's hard foil. And it's 60 pieces. So normally what I do when I get it, I will cut it up into sections because the pieces were so long. And it comes with an array of colors. Look at all the colors that you can get. You could do so much with this nail art box of foils. Now this is how you tell. On the back, you can look on the back of the foil and tell if the foil is a soft foil and a hard foil. You can see the difference in the two. One is shiny and one is not. The matte is hard foil, the shiny is soft foil. And it comes with a cute little rubber transfer pin. So you can get in those corners if you need to. Very good pen. And it comes with two nice size 15 milliliter bottles of glue transfer. Next we have Dr. Mode's toenail clippers. Now I want to say, if you are not a professional, do not, and I repeat, do not buy these products, okay? Because they're very sharp and you definitely do not want to cut your client and ensue some type of injury with your client. Now, one thing I don't like about Dr. Mode is they're easy to rust. So when you clean your tools, you're gonna have to make sure that they're absolutely and completely dry before you put them away. But I love their products. Here's a plus. It's for left-handed or right-handed. So regardless if you're left-handed or right-handed, it really doesn't matter because the tools are geared to both left and right-handed people. And this stuff is to cut thick toenails if your clients have hangnails and you don't want to mess up your regular cuticle cutters. These are beveled edged. This is a new pair that I bought. The other pair I had purchased them over the summer just to check it out to make sure. Make sure that once you clean it and dry it, you put the caps back onto your clippers. Like so. I mean, these tools are extremely sharp, so I'm just telling you ahead of time. Do not buy this if you're not professional enough to understand how to use these tools, how to get stuff out of the corner of the nail if your client has a hangnail. Stuff is very, very sharp and your client will get an injury. Now I decided to do a little demo on Burano's nail foil glue. And when I put the glue on, I made sure that I let it set underneath the dryer for 60 seconds. These are the colors that I'm going to be using. So one by one, once the glue is dry, I laid a little bit of the green down, pressed my thumb on it and pulled it off. That's why it looks like a thumbnail. Press it down, pull it back. Purple, press it down, pull it back. And when you're doing this rainbow explosion, what you want to do is you want to move it around, separate it out, and then when you're finished with all of your colors, if you have any open spaces, because I'm doing a clear nail, I'm not doing a black nail, I'm doing a clear nail, then whatever spaces that you have left over, then you put other colors in those spaces. This is the finished look to this product. I love this product. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I did me a whole set of 10s. So here is the reveal. This is the end of this video. So stay tuned for my Amazon haul 2 and 3. And until I see you again, nail friends, God bless you and have a wonderful day.